This is the installation of the AVS micro harness hot swap system. Step 1, remove your gloves. Step 2, take out the plate. Take the micro harness pieces. These little tabs will go through the webbing on the back of the AVS, like so. Insert them all away and make sure that the bottom of the micro harness is aligned to the bottom of the plate bag. Once you're here, take a length of shot cord and you're going to first loop it above the bar tack up here through the webbing on the rear of the carrier. Like so. Take the shot cord and run them through the first set of tabs. Then run them through the next piece of webbing in the center back right here. Then you'll run them through the bottom set of webbing tabs. Once you're at this point, you want to open up your plate bag like so. Take the included piece with the small carbon fiber square and you're going to attach it to the center of the plate flap, like so. At this point, you would install the plate and close the plate flap. This leaves the tab open and available for the shot cord to be routed through it. Take your two pieces of shot cord and loop them through, like so. Then you'll pull it as tight as you feel that you need, and you'll just make a simple overhand knot. At this point, you can cut off excess string or shot cord, or you can alternatively tuck it into either the bottom of the plate bag, or you can route it back up and tuck it inside of this pocket. You can also attach your long Crye pads from your harness, like so, to provide additional padding. This is the correctly installed configuration of the AVS micro harness.